Nameplate and seal number of the whole machine. Frame. Front counterweight. Loading boom. Loading boom cylinder. Boom safety support. Loading bucket. Bucket cylinder. Reserved pipeline for optional working device. Engine hood. Engine. Engine nameplate. Brake oil cup. Radiator. Exhaust pipe. Air pre-filter. Hydraulic oil tank. Hydraulic oil inlet filter. Battery box. Main power switch. Front drive axle. Front axle nameplate. Steering cylinder. Rear drive axle. Rear axle nameplate. Outrigger. Outrigger cylinder. Bidirectional hydraulic lock. Digging boom. Digging boom cylinder. Digging rod. Arm cylinder. Digging bucket. Bucket cylinder. Quick coupler device. Reserved pipeline for optional working device. Rotary structure. Digging boom swing cylinder. Digging boom locking mechanism. Fuel tank. Hydraulic pump. Torque converter and transmission. Transmission nameplate. Front drive shaft. Rear drive shaft. Steering priority valve. Loading control valve. Digging control valve. Hydraulic return filter. Cabin. Seat. Loading operating lever. Clutch cutoff switch. Rear axle differential lock switch. Optional working device operating lever. Parking brake handle. Hand throttle control lever. Digging device operating lever. Outrigger cylinder operating lever. Optional working device pedal. Digging boom locking mechanism operating lever. Instrument panel. Horn switch. Air conditioner control switch. Rear wiper switch. Instrument light switch. Rear working light switch. Rear wiper spray switch. Cabin top warning light switch. Transmission shift lever. Clutch cutoff switch. Accelerator pedal. Service brake pedal. Travel direction selection handle. Combination switch, including front working light, front wiper spray, steering indicator. Front working light switch. Hazard light switch. Drive mode selector switch.